This next song I wrote, I was in here in Austin, Texas, and I've written 2 songs here, and I actually wrote this one. It was snowing here in Austin. I think it was like February, and I was staying with Bob at his house, and I was sleeping in his son's room, who was like 8 or 5, I don't know, and he said, but he was not there. That would be weird. And I had this song, it was in a dream, and then I woke up and I thought, wow, that was a good song in my dream, and then I realized that was my song in the dream. And so I wrote down the words, and then I plucked it out on a little guitar, and here it is. It's called Nothing But the Rain. Oh, I would also like to remind everyone here at the theater that they do still make compact discs. And if you have like nieces and nephews that you don't want to spend a lot of money on, and you're thinking $15 limit, I have a CD that is perfect for them. And I bet Sarah Jackie has one, and Bob's got one, and Lex probably got one too. So if y'all want to come see us after the show, we will not turn you away. Here you go.
I had a dream I was in the mountains where the snowflakes fall. I heard a sound in the distance, I swore it was calling my name. You said it's nothing but the rain. In his jealousy, then we wind up in the sea, or a river I could not tell, me and Louise, in the water where the snowflakes fell. Won't you come a little closer? If I come closer, I may fall. Like the snow in the water, disappear in it all. I had a dream I was in the mountains where the snowflakes fall. I heard fear in the distance, I swore it was calling my name. You said, remember, it's nothing but the rain. In his jealousy, and then we wind up in the sea, or a river, hell I could not tell, me and Louise, in the water where the snowflakes fell. Won't you come a little closer? If I come closer, I may fall. Like the snow in the water, disappear in it all. Oh, I want to believe, I want to believe, even though I know that nobody here is as pure as the driven snow. Oh, won't you come a little closer? Won't you come a little closer? If I come closer, I may fall. Oh, like the snow in the water, disappear in it all. disappear in it all. I had a dream I was in the mountains where the snowflakes fall.
Charlie Lawrence, everybody.